everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Planning with Donna Smith-Wilson, and today I have an October monthly. Better late than never, huh? All right, let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put my Happy Halloween right here in the middle. What do you think? I just think it'll be so much easier to just do it right down through here. Let's do it right. I don't want it to cut off. Let's see, if it cuts right there, it'll be... It'll cut off part of that, but not, there we go. There we go. So now when I trim that, it won't cut off any of the, and then you have these little pumpkins on the side. How cute are they? Look at that. So cute. This makes it so easy to do a spread. You just boom, 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 and you've got you a spread. And I'm going to take, oh, these are just, oh, I love them, love them, love them. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to grab my On a Bean on a Mission. She's got orange boxes in here, and I think I'm going to take one of these super long orange boxes, and I think I'm just going to go right down through here, put that down, and let's see, she's got let's do a, let me see here. Let's do a, let's just do a yellow. Because we got a lot of yellow here. And I'm going to put that one right there. What do you know? I put down a sticker straight. Lord have the mercy. And we're just going to start popping candy all over the place. Oh, look at how those peel up. These peel up just like butter. And I'm just going to pop them around. Oh, I love how that looks when it's on the page. It's like, wow. Like the colors just literally go kaplooey. They just pop. Look at this little tiny spider. Almost looks like a tick. It's little. All right. And there's not going to be any rhyme or reason. I do like this little worm. I think that little worm's cute. I'm going to put him right there. Look like he's coming up out of the earth. And I'm just going to scatter them here, there, and everywhere. Because we got lots of candy. I do think I'm not going to put that right in the middle of the page. I think I'm going to put it up here. There we go. All right, let's do some candy corn. I love candy corn. Leave a comment below. Are you a candy corn fan or no? Because I would like to know if you are or not. Because you either are, you either love it, or you hate it. I really don't think there's any in between. Most of the people that I know are that way. They're like, ew, I can't believe you like candy corn. Yeah, you're a hater or a lover. I love it. I love candy corn since I was a little tiny kid. You just can't get enough, guys. You just can't get enough of it. It's so good. All right, now I'm going to incorporate in, I have to get this little bat in here. This little bat is so cute. Look at this little booger. Look at that. Is he not adorable? Like, I love that so much. Where am I going to put him? Let me put him right up here. Because that's not actually a date. He can have the whole box all to himself. Now I'm going to put this little kitty cat. Oh, I love this little kitty cat too. I think I'm going to put my little kitty cat. And I want to wipe this out. Too many words on here. Too many words. The only thing important to me in October is my dad's birthday. I care less about everything else. And I basically gave him the lowdown the other day. My dad does not go out to eat, period. And I was talking to his sister, and I said, you know, it would just make it easier on everybody if we could just go to a restaurant, have a nice meal, and call it a day. Because then nobody has to clean up. Because, I mean, his sister's 70. So, you know, she don't look 70. She looks like she's about 45. But, you know, nobody wants to clean up. And then I have to work all day. And so, you know where I'm going with it, okay? So he come over here the other day. You know, we've become pretty big buds. Every time Mommy's in the nursing home, you know, me and him get pretty tight with things. I said, look, I didn't tell him what. I said, on your birthday, I want you to come over here and be here when I get off work. And I don't want to hear no lip. Just be here. And there will be no talk back. There will be nothing. Oh, there won't, will there? And I said, no, there won't. And so he's like, okay. So I got hold of his sister, and I'm just like, we're going. So he won't be happy, but that's okay. It's only his birthday. And you know what? I mean, we want to go have a good time. And, you know, I'm sorry if he is just not, I'm not paying those prices. Well, you know what, Dad? You're not paying for anything that night. We're just going to go and have fun. And, you know, a couple of them his brother's coming, and I think so his sister and her husband, and then his brother and his wife. So that's what I'm saying. It's going to be great fun. And nobody has to cook, and nobody has to clean anything up. Because, you know, it's usually always Mary that's cleaning everything up. And that's just not fair to her. You know, nobody wants to clean up after a bunch of people eat. I don't care who you are. Do I have any naked spots? I sort of like that right there. I'm just planting these things everywhere. And then I've got my little cupcakes here with the eyeballs. I'm going to do a big one, and then I'm going to do this little one. Okay. We're going to give this little one to the little kitty cat here in case, you know, he wants to lick the icing off. Then we got a lollipop. Where am I going to put the lollipop? Put the lollipop right there. I want to put some of these little spiders around because I have like a blue million of them on here. I think they're so stinking cute. They're so tiny. There we go. We'll just scatter them everywhere. Put them at the top. Put them at the bottom. So what do you guys do for Halloween? I know that a lot of people that have, especially people that have little kids, they'll do like a family theme, like the Addams Family or something like that. What if you like? I don't like Halloween. I think I've made that perfectly clear in most of my videos. But my thing is, you know, kids don't understand all that. So what do you guys do? I mean, do you go out with your kids? Do you have like fall festival at church in lieu of Halloween? Because we used to do that years ago. We would just, we had a big fall festival at our church, and we would have what's called, what did we call it? I can't think of what we called it. It was basically where you went all the way through the church, and it was like each place had a scene, and it was like, you know, they were acting out something, and it was really neat because, oh gosh, I cannot think. That's going to drive me crazy because I really want to be able to think of what it's called. I think I'm going to put that one right here. And then at the end, it was like the story of, you know, salvation and all that. And so it was really neat. We really had a nice time with that. And there was all kinds of stuff for the kids. And we'd have like a cakewalk. And just, it was great. So leave a comment down below what you guys do. I'm loving these candy corn. I wish they were real, because I'd be sitting here eating them. I just wanted to make a fun spread for you guys that wasn't anything focused or, you know, anything like that. You could just, you know, laugh and say, that's really cute, or, you know, because I know there's so many people out there that just hate Halloween. And I'm one of them. But this was fun. And I do think I'm going to put down, where am I going to put this pumpkin? I think I'm going to put this pumpkin right here. And I want to put another one, put this one right up here. I love that. I think that is so stinking cute. And I think I have some, let me find it. Pumpkin. Yep, I got some little pumpkins that I can just do. I can just do this. I don't know if that's going to look right or not. It's like, whatever. Let's just do it. I'm just going to do this really gently. And I'll pull them up in a minute, and then I'll put, I think I'll put one up here at the top to sort of spread the love. I just want something haphazard, you know, it doesn't have to be on here perfect. Just to bring out a little balance, so to speak. And I have thought I did. It's hard to tell what I got in this drawer. I got so much stuff in here. It's pretty scary. I mean, like, it's really scary. So let's pull this up. And I'm going to trim this up off of this mat here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about, because I do not want to mess up my hickey doodle majigger here. Because, you know, after a while, you just get sick of doing backdrops over and over and over, which I have. I got some of the stuff I wanted at the Dollar Tree that I really like. And it will be the wood going this way. Because inevitably I will, you know, eventually put a big gash in this or something. I'm really trying not to do that. So, as I said, you know, but you get tired of doing it all the time, you know, and I was just tearing them up faster than I could make them. It's sort of crooked. It would help if I actually, I'm going to have to part with this scalpel, and you know, you're probably going to hear like taps or something playing in the background, because it's hard for me to let go of, come off of there, stuff that I really enjoy using. And, you know, this has been with me since day one. All right, so I got that. Like I said, it's super simple. It's not anything fancy schmancy. You know, and if you wanted to make it pop a little bit more, you could just take you like an orange marker and go around all the boxes, and that would make it pop even more. I'm not going to do that. So let's go ahead and cut this apart. And we will get this show on the road. See, nothing got cut. I love that. I'm going to trim that off a little bit. Trim that pea and see that nothing got cut off of it. So I love that I didn't butcher my happy Halloween there. I think that's so darling. I just love it. Okay, let me get this off of here. We can do the presentation. And you guys can tell me what you think. I think it looks cute. There's my October monthly, a little late, but you know, better late than never. Sometimes, you know, life happens and I'm just trying to get ahead of the game a little bit for you guys. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a great big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It really would mean a lot to me and help my channel to grow. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers and all my OGs. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.